It's not quite warm enough yet for me to start planting things out in my garden, but I am taking the time to walk the garden and plan what I'm going to grow and exactly where I'm going to grow it. Now, I haven't decided yet exactly what I'm going to do, but I will tell you one thing. I know exactly where I'm growing my tomatoes. Let me show you my new favorite way of growing tomatoes and how it not only benefits the tomatoes that you're growing, but also the rest of your garden. Growing tomatoes on an arched cattle panel trellis is a great way to grow your tomatoes vertically. It also combines structural support with biological benefits for your garden. It offers a really great way for your indeterminate variety tomatoes to just continue growing throughout the season. Indeterminate tomatoes are vining, and they're going to continue to grow until it gets too cold for them to stop growing. If you grow on a cattle panel trellis, they start at the ground and they climb up and up and up. And you can have a 10-foot tall plant at the end of the season, which is easy for a cattle panel trellis to handle. Determinate tomato varieties like Romas or other bush-type tomatoes don't need the structural support that your indeterminates need. So you don't have to use this method when it comes to growing determinate tomatoes. A huge benefit of growing your tomatoes on a cattle panel trellis is that it provides superior plant health and disease prevention. Growing your tomatoes vertically up a cattle panel trellis is a great way to help promote airflow. And airflow is super important, especially for tomatoes. Too humid of an environment with some stale air actually causes a lot of the fungal issues that you see with tomatoes, like early blight, septoria leaf spot, or powdery mildew. One of the great things about this method is when you transplant your tomatoes into the garden and you start to train them up the trellis, you're actually trimming a decent bit of the foliage toward the bottom of the plant. And what that does is it makes sure that there is zero leaf or fruit contact with the soil in your garden. And soil-borne illness is another one of the big causes of tomato issues during the growing season. This method helps mitigate the risk of accidentally infecting your tomatoes with some soil-borne illness when you water, because any water and soil that splashes up onto the plant isn't going to hit any of the leaves, because you've already trimmed them tall enough to where that's not an issue. The shape of your cattle panel trellis is also such to where it provides a wider surface area for your tomato plant's foliage to grow and spread out, and giving the leaves more direct access to sunlight, which is going to help fuel photosynthesis and make your plants a whole lot healthier. And growing your tomatoes on a cattle panel trellis is also great for space efficiency and an increased yield. Last season, I grew tomatoes in this bed here, and it was great. They worked out really well. But also growing my tomatoes in this bed all but ensured that the only thing that I was growing in this bed were tomatoes. Not so when it comes to growing tomatoes up a cattle panel trellis, because all you need is a little footprint within the bed so you can plant the tomatoes and train them up the trellis. The rest of the bed is free, open space for you to grow more veg. And employing a cattle panel trellis also creates a microclimate underneath the trellis. In the peak summer months, once your tomatoes have climbed over the trellis, they provide a natural living canopy that can help shelter some cooler season plants. And you can grow things like lettuce, spinach, or radish right here underneath your growing tomatoes. Last season, I actually grew several successive crops of radishes right here under the canopy of my cattle panel trellis. The tomato vines grew tall and gave just enough shade to create a nice microclimate here for my radishes. So instead of the radishes being pelted by that midsummer sun, they got a chance to continue to grow. They didn't bolt, and they got me some really delicious radishes. Cattle panels are made from heavy gauge galvanized steel. They're not like your flimsy little tomato cages that you can get from any big box store. These can withstand the weight of mature tomato vines and the hundreds of tomatoes that they're going to be producing at a time. And they won't buckle under the pressure of those plants, and also because they're secured to these T-posts that are driven into the ground. They're not going to buckle under the pressure of any windy conditions. You can be sure that this cattle panel is here to stay. And instead of crouching down or digging through a tomato jungle in order to hunt for tomatoes that are growing, the tomatoes that grow on your cattle panel arch hang right down from the trellis. This provides a great ergonomic way to harvest your tomatoes. It makes it easy to see and pick them at eye level or while standing right inside of the archway. Using a cattle panel trellis also helps simplify pruning. The grid of the cattle panel acts as a natural guide for the vines. This means that you can easily see when your tomato plants need a little bit of maintenance. So if I want to use this archway to be able to walk through and actually harvest my tomatoes, all I have to do is snip off any of the excess leaves that are poking into the archway. And I largely ignored any of the leaves that were growing on the outside of the trellis. I just wanted to make sure that the stuff on the inside didn't get too unruly and bushy so I couldn't walk through. Also, they weren't really doing anything to benefit the plants themselves because they were covered by that canopy of vines. So they weren't doing much in the way of photosynthesizing. So I was able to easily remove those to provide a nice, simple walkway through so I can make sure I'm tending well to my plants and I'm harvesting as necessary. And the grid of your cattle panel also makes it super easy to train your tomato plants to grow up. All you have to do is make sure that you're grabbing any of the lead stems that you want to continue to grow and you're securing them with a figure-8 of twine to your cattle panel as they grow up. And then toward the end of the season, all you have to do to stop your tomato plants from growing is to top them. And that just means that you cut off the very end of the tomato plant so the growth will stop. And then the plant can concentrate on ripening the existing fruit. So you don't have to worry about your plant continuing to grow and growing fruit that's not going to mature. And you don't have to worry about the existing fruit already on your plant not getting mature enough before it gets too cold. And also, because your fruit grows elevated above the ground, it's not making contact with the soil, which helps keep your fruit clean, but it also helps to protect them from slugs, pill bugs, or any other little critters that might want to get to them. Another great benefit of growing tomatoes on a cattle panel trellis that's actually often overlooked is durability and aesthetics. Think about it. Cattle panels are designed to contain livestock, so these things are definitely strong enough for you to contain your tomato vines. They also are rust resistant, and they'll last up to 20 years in your garden, which for a $35 investment of a single 16-foot by 50-inch cattle panel, that's not too shabby. And let's be honest, it also looks great. I love my cattle panel trellis, and it's basically become the pride and joy of my garden. I love looking out the window and seeing it as it has tomato vines sprawling over it and tomatoes hanging down from it. I even love the look of it when the garden is dormant in the wintertime and there's nothing growing. It just adds a really nice aesthetic pop to the garden that I otherwise wouldn't have had without it. And this is just some of the reasons why I encourage you to grow your tomatoes on a cattle panel trellis. It really is a great way to grow tomatoes in your garden. Now, if you're sold on the benefits and you're interested in building your own cattle panel trellis for your garden, go ahead and click on this video next. Happy growing.